So we covered having hot water or hot beverages, having salt water mouth gargles, and plenty of lemon each day. Now I'm going to tell you about a very simple exercise that an intensive care intensivist in I think UK has recorded, and this is a summary of what you need to do to make your lungs strong and prevent the virus from, I don't know, progressing. So what he advised is if you could do this for each hour every day, you'll be absolutely fine while you're awake, of course. And you can do it sitting down or lying down. It's a simple breathing exercise, and so I combine it with my Reiki and my yoga, and I've named it Corona breathing technique. Here we go. Sit somewhere nice and calm and take 5 slow deep breaths. So you breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, count to 5. Repeat that 5 times. On the 6th breath, instead of taking a breath or exhaling, you cough twice. Quite a loud cough to expel any fluid, anything, mucus from your lungs, from the lower lobes of the lungs. And then you do another 5 deep breaths and 2 further coughs. You finish with lying on your tummy, because the lungs are on the back of the chest. Fluid can gather there if you're always lying down on your back. So try and get into the habit of going to your front, if that's actually physically possible for you. Some people can't, they find it very difficult. And pregnant people should certainly avoid that. But if you have no issues, medical issues, lie on your tummy and do the same 5 breaths in and out, 2 coughs, 5 breaths in and out, 2 coughs, whilst lying on your tummy. That was an example of the 5 breaths in and out deeply and the 2 coughs. Now, if you're sitting down and you want to lie, you can't lie on your tummy, but you can actually come down, wrap your knees, and take your deep breaths and exhale that way. 5 times and cough, and then another 5 breaths and cough. So I hope that's useful to you. Try and do that once every hour if you can, or at the least 3 times a day.